Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can add keyframes to the video effects on the CapCut PC. So if you guys knew that on CapCut Mobile, we can now add keyframes to adjust the intensity of the video effects that we use. But actually in the CapCut PC, the feature is not yet available, but I found this trick and here I'm going to show you. First, you just need to copy the clip on a track, copy and paste, and put the video as the overlay. And now just select the effects that you want. Okay, so for example, I'm going to add the halo blur effect at the beginning of the video. So just click on the plus icon to add it to your video. Okay, like this. So now the video effect has been applied, and what you need to do next is just create a compound clip of the consisting of the overlay and also the effect. So just select both of this, right click on it and choose to create a compound clip. Okay, so now the effect with the video with the effect has been combined in a compound clip like that. And what you need to do to like made or add keyframes to the video effect, you just need to click on the compound clip. And now here on the blend, on the opacity, you just need to add a keyframe. So for the beginning, I'm going to add 100 and move forward. I'm going to lower it. So another keyframe will be created. Then I'm going to move forward again and bring back the effect to 100. Like this. And now your video will look like this. You can see now that the effect is higher again according to the keyframes that I added. Okay guys, so that's a tips from me, but I hope this tutorial will be helpful. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks button below. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye!